Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Guwahati location. It is from Assam. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for social media marketing manager position. It is from Brand Access located in Guwahati, Assam. So coming to job description, liaise with clients to understand their requirements and meet business objectives and research current social media trends and audience preferences, design and implement social media strategies like influencer marketing, retargeting on social media, etc. And you need to create engaging content on a regular basis for different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. And you need to optimize the use of various social media platforms with the best practices, and also you need to collaborate with the design and content team, and also you need to give suggestions and implement ideas so as to enhance brand equity of their clients. And you will be responsible for social media content calendar, curation and online reputation management, and also posting and social media execution. And you will also be responsible for devising innovative growth strategies by developing a deep understanding of their clients target consumers, and use data and market intelligence to drive acquisition and retention efforts at each stage of the customer life cycle. So this is about the job description, and some of the responsibilities are also included here to apply for this job. So for more detailed information, if you want to know, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this social media marketing manager position. And next, there is a job opening for executive sales. So it is from Springer Nature Group. It is located in Guwahati, Assam. So for to apply for this sales executive position, you should be having 2 to 4 years of experience, and they are giving preference to the candidates with experience in the school academic publishing industry. So coming to job description, and some of the key tasks are included here, like promotion of product into schools, and you need to maintain and develop relationships with the existing customers, and also identify potential customers and market penetration, negotiating the terms of agreement and closing sales with channel distribution. And you need to make ensure that achievement of sales target and revenue and collection. So these are the responsibilities. And coming to qualification details, minimum graduate with preferably a professional degree or diploma in marketing management is required, and also openness to travel. So these are the qualification details, and also the responsibilities are provided here. So you can have a look on the all the details provided here. So for more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be provided in the description, so you can have a look on the description to apply for this position, that is sales executive position. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service position from Data Patterns India Private Limited located in Guwahati, Assam. So coming to eligibility criteria, you should be having 6 months to 1 year of experience in sales, and you must have done graduation, and two-wheeler is must to apply for this position, and salary will be between 1.5 to 1.8 lakhs per annum. I mean CTC will be 1.5 to 1.8 lakhs per annum, and it will be negotiable with the free accommodation and the food. So they are going to provide free accommodation and also the food facilities for the candidate who are applying to this job. So key skills, customer care calling, call handling, telecalling. So these are the key skills required. So these are the requirements and the qualification details. So any of you want to apply for this customer service position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description of for the website to apply for this customer service position. Next one, there is a job opening for UI or UX designing position from TechGiz. So it is located in Guwahati, Assam location. So this job description is provided here, like the focus will be mainly on developing a consistent omni-channel experience, and the team will be working in a lean and agile environment, and the UI designer will be expected to work on the products from concept through the delivery along with the help of graphic designer. And you need to create a document briefing the developers and what is expected, the functionality need, and overall how things should work. And as I mentioned above, the role will initially focus on the design of new native apps. However, the longer term vision is to create an engaging and coherent omni-channel experience. As a result, UI designers who would enjoy thinking at both a detailed and strategic level would be a great fit. So, and also some of the responsibilities are included, like visualize and design the user interface for web and mobile applications. Quantitative and user behavior analysis skills are required, and create detailed design specifications. Organize files and hand off to development teams, and also organize files and hand off to development teams. So these are both the lines are same. So for to apply for this position, qualification will be BTech or BE or post graduation. So it will be available in all the locations provided here. That is Guwahati, Gurgaon, Delhi, Bangalore. So to apply for this position, in order to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the link. It will be provided in the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for agency recruitment development manager. So it is from LHRS Human Resource Service LLP located in Guwahati, Assam. So to apply for this position, you should be having minimum 1 year of field sales experience. BFSI and insurance sector is preferred, and qualification will be minimum graduation, and salary will be between 1,80,000 to 2,40,000 per annum. And coming to responsibilities, execution of sales strategy, increase market reach and penetration through market segmentation, seek new customers and increase sales. And you should be responsible for recruitment and management of agents, like identify, recruit and manage advisors from the respective region, and you need to train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products, and monitor and review agents performance, help them achieve maximum business, and meet customer on regular basis for achieving standards, and supervise and liaise with self help group or microfinance institution or NGOs, etc. So these are the specific responsibilities. So you please go through the information provided here, and if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the link in it will be available in the description for your reference. You please have a look on the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager position from Bajaj Finserv located in Guwahati, Assam. So some of the responsibilities and also qualification details are provided. Firstly, in the key responsibilities, sourcing food quality customers for salaried personal loans in the location from the open market, and cross-selling of the insurance products to the SAL PL customers, and training the PSF and getting the targeted monthly number and XNSHTB from the PSF team, and driving PSF productivity as per the company plans, delivery on the monthly target on salaried PL as well as insurance cross-sell, and ensuring required conversion on any centralized leads getting passed on, and also coordinating with the credit and ops teams to ensure timely approvals as well as disburse. So these are the key responsibilities and also the duties. So next, coming to required qualification and experience details. So qualification will be graduation or post graduation with the minimum 3 to 4 years of experience is required, and the candidate should have a managed channels and DST teams in the past assignment, and at least 2 years of experience in salaried loans in the overall experience is preferred. So these are the responsibilities and the qualification details. You please go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this position, assistant manager position. Next one, there is a job opening for senior graphic designer position. It is from Brand Access located in Guwahati, Assam location. So coming to qualification details, you should be having experience in both digital and print media. So social media is a must. So, and strong graphic design skills are required, and also in-depth knowledge in typography and layout skills, and also analytical skills are required to apply for this senior graphic designer position. And coming to responsibilities, you need to study design briefs and determine requirements, schedule projects and define budget constraints, conceptualize visuals based on requirements, and you need to prepare rough drafts and present ideas, develop illustrations, logos and other designs using software or by hand, use the appropriate colors and layouts for each graphic, work with copywriters and creative director to produce the final design, and test graphics across various media, amend designs after feedback, ensure final graphics and layouts are visually appealing on brand, and you need to work simultaneously on multiple digital design projects based on the current workload and be able to deliver on time. And also you need to assist other designers within the organization when necessary graphic designer. So these are the responsibilities. You please go through the information provided here, and in order to apply for this senior graphic designer position, you can visit in the official website link to apply for this job. It will be available in the description in the video. You can have a look on that. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.